Hello, I'm Lynn in the Research Skills team. Our team is based in Libraries and Learning Resources at the University of Birmingham. This is an introduction to some of the key resources available for literature searching for the College of Social Sciences. First, a recap on why literature searching is an important aspect of your research process. It will help you to identify and evaluate relevant existing research and information on your topic, and to establish where your research fits in with the existing body of knowledge. And it also means that you can avoid duplicating research that has already been done. Now let's consider the formats in which academic research is published. These include journals, monographs and book chapters, reports, conference proceedings, working papers, and literature reviews. Any of these resource types may be of interest to you at different stages of your research. Here are some of the key places to discover literature for your subject. Firstly, find it at Birmingham. This is our library catalogue and much more. We have a suite of video tutorials on how to use Find It. The recent refresh of the interface is designed to make navigation easier. Next, we have bibliographic databases. Some of these resources are subject or discipline specific. The built-in functionality allows for focused searching, which will help you to get relevant results. Other specialist resources which can be invaluable, depending on your subject discipline, include catalogues and manuscripts and archives. The University of Birmingham has a dedicated e-thesis repository. Research students registered for a PhD often find it helpful to look at previous theses submitted for degree awards. This will give you a good idea of how a thesis in your subject field is laid out in terms of structure. There may be some theses with restrictions due to the inclusion of sensitive data, or they may be embargoed for other reasons. We have access to the database called ProQuest Dissertations and Theses Global, which indexes theses from around the world, including British theses. And finally, there is the British Library's Ethos service, which we hope will be restored in the near future. The university subscribes to a range of multidisciplinary and subject-based bibliographic databases. Major platforms include Web of Science and Scopus, as well as Ovid, ProQuest, and EBSCO. Bibliographic databases are a useful source for any kind of literature searching, as they index academic research published in a variety of formats. Databases are an essential tool for anyone who needs to carry out a literature review or a systematic review. We would encourage you to take some time to familiarise yourself with these subject resources, as they will help you to discover and then explore the literature in your own field. Each college may have access to specialist resources that are more relevant for individual schools or departments. Here are some social sciences examples. We subscribe to financial and market data resources such as Bloomberg and Icon, a range of newspapers, and a portfolio of Digimap resources. Find It at Birmingham lists all the resources that the university subscribes to for teaching or research purposes. The Research Skills team run a series of workshops each term. These are listed on our internal web pages, together with any associated Canvas courses for self-paced learning. We support EndNote Desktop for reference management, and we can also advise on other research tools such as Cochrane and Covidence, which are useful for systematic reviews, and DMP Online, a tool for creating a data management plan. This is a photograph of the Research Skills team with our contact details. We hold regular monthly coffee mornings in the Researcher Suite in the main library, and we hold a weekly tea time drop-in session on Zoom in term time. We also run more formal training workshops either in person or online. We advertise these opportunities widely throughout the academic year. We hope to see you at one of our events soon. Thank you for listening.